Hi, my name is Dean Martin. I'm with JTM Products, and we are happy to be here at the 2023 Supplier Show for Myers. And we have some new products that we'd like to introduce to the sales team here. We currently manufacture a Myers Euro Paste product. It's a hard product. It has a white material. You basically take a swab on the material and you rub it and you build up a soft, soapy paste. Some of the downsides of the product, it tends to be a very stiff product. So what we were asked by Myers was to develop a new product for them, which we have. It's the MXP Purple Paste. Same type of product. It's designed for low profile tires. It's a stiff product. However, the benefits of this product, it's a creamier product. It's softer. It doesn't dry out as much as the existing Euro Paste. And it gives the salespeople another option to go into shops and to potentially grow their business. The new MXP Purple Paste comes in the low profile container, and it also comes in the standard one gallon bucket. So we have both sizes for depending on what type of tire machine they're using.